Jesus, you are the only Holy One. There is no name higher than yours. Lord, you alone are worthy of glory. You are the Lamb offered in sacrifice. You are holy, Jesus, holy and righteous. Your name is above all. You are worthy of all praise. You are the Lamb offered for us.
You are holy, no one can be compared to you. Your